All right, our project for today is going to be this nice old bakelite radio. It's in good physical condition. There's no cracks, and it's clean, and it doesn't have any crazing to it. It's all shiny. Has all kinds of problems, of course. You plug it in, it just makes a buzzing noise, bad filter capacitors, and there's no dial pointer. Oh, there is. There's a dial pointer in there. It just needs to be painted white because you can't see it against the background. All right, let's get it open and see what we got to do. Do a capacitor job on it. Let's see. Wow. Whew. Okay, I need... All right. Let's see. That's nice. Somebody's worked on it because it's got some nice rubber feet on it. Okay, we should. Okey-doke. That. We're going to take that and we'll wash it, polish it. Okay. Dial cord looks good. It looks good and clean. All right, let's see what we got to do inside. Oh yeah. Oh yeah, see that? That's a replacement right there somebody put in there. And this is the original, and it of course it's rotten. It's been replaced, but it's dried out. This is replaced, I would say, at least 30, 40 years ago, because it has tremendous hum. Oh, I think that'll do. Okay, first we'll get that out of there. Okay, standard 40-40. 40-30-20, okay? To make this a little easier, I'm going to go ahead and open it up. What the hell? Oh. All right. Good enough. Oh, that's yeah, nothing to it when you open it up. We got 1, 2. No, that's a coil. That's 1, 2, 3. Only 4 capacitors, and the electrolytics. I want to see if any of these are any good. You know, there's no reason to replace the damn things if they're not bad. Okey-doke. Now, I'm going to set the ohmmeter to its high scale. We're talking about a triplet 630. It applies about 28 volts onto the capacitor. Okay, it's all the way up. No indicator. It's past 50 megs. Ready? This is a cardboard tube, and it's got wax just dumped into the ends. The capacitor's put in there, and they just pour wax in the ends. It's bound to be leaking. All right, let's get it out of here and see what it what it does. Okay, all right. About 800K. I knew that one would be leaking. All right, point one. Point one, 630 volt. Yeah. Cut that one out. That's the tone capacitor. Okay, that's about 1 meg. It's a leaker. 0.01. 005. 0.01 right there. Okay. Let me get this one in there. Let's see what it reads. Hey, it's good. It's good. It reads up above 50 megs. Okay. All right. Now, they've got this resistor with friction tape wrapped around it. Friction tape. Yeah, it's crazy. Well, that's been in there a while. That friction tape is hard as a rock. It's like potato chip tape. I want to take that resistor. Okay, I'm going to get these wires. I'm going to save those wires. Okay. I'm going to save. Okay. Okay. Okie doke. These go to the condensers. Okay, we're going to put we got all the negatives connected together. Make sure you don't do something dumb and connect one of them backwards. It turns into a firecracker. This one comes right off of the tube. No trouble. Now, this one goes to the other high voltage one. When I say high voltage, I mean it's the one that's closest to the rectifier tube. You want the biggest capacitor to go to the circuit, the closest to the circuit, and the smaller capacitors, 20 and the 30, go to the other two. Okay? Those are 33s, and they're going to the others. And then 47 is going to go to the one that goes to the rest of the circuit. That'll give you the lowest hum and the best response to the radio there. This is the ground. Around here. Okay, now that takes care of the filter capacitors. Okay, we got one last condenser to put back in here, this .01. That goes from ground onto the, I think it's 4, I can't remember. I've looked at 100 times, but I can't remember anything anymore. I'm old. 50L6, plate is pin 3. Goes to the transformer, okay? They put a capacitor across the transformer so that if you get some high frequency scratches in there, like from lightning or anything else, you don't get that spike that causes high voltage. If you don't have any load on that coil, you can get a pretty good spike on there, and it could short that transformer out. And by putting a capacitor on there, a small capacitor, usually it's a .002 or something like that. Well, look who's here. Look who's here. Hi there, baby. Come here. Okay, look into the camera. Kitty. Kitty. Oh, she's your sweetheart. Look up in the camera. Hmm? She doesn't know what the camera is. She's been up in the attic all day. It's cold outside, so she stays in the attic in the warm room with the bed. Snoozes. Oh, yes. You kitty. Okay, that takes care of totally recapping it. Okay, so everything is back in good order. Okay, everything else looks good. The tubes are good, no doubt. Okay, now I'm going to put this plate back on here. Okay, now, oh, I forgot that. Okay. I need a washer. Okay, 24 watts, 22, 21, 20. The wattage drops as the filaments heat up. Okay, 20, 21, 22, going up now that the B plus is there. Uh-oh. Okay, 27 watts, that sounds good.
In that lawsuit. Then they proceeded to impeach, and a big problem.
Okay, let's. Okay, I want to put a signal into it. All right, let me see. We're going to get us signal. I'm going to put it to hundreds of Okay. Okay, 455 kilohertz. And I need a wire. Got wires all over the place here, I guess. Okay. I'm going to just fasten it anywhere. Oh. Okay, I want to connect. Let's go. I got a Keysight scope. They're renowned for taking forever to warm up when you turn the power on. It's worse than having an old tube-type Tektronix. Damn, Keysight scopes take so long to boot up. It's like waiting for tubes to warm up. Maybe that's what it is. It might got tubes inside of it. All right, let's see. 455. Okay. Now I've got the generator set to 455, and I got the outputs near the antenna. Low end of the band, it comes in better. We're just picking it up through the antenna and stuff. All right. Okay, now we should pick up stations now.
Like the insurance company's alone. Call them over Law.
That's 610.
Most people have lost weight and put it back on.
750.
National front.
Money's partner, Alliance Credit Union. Elevate and increase your savings with 12 business.
Okay, that's 1500. Okay, let me get this up there. Yeah, it's right on the money. I'm just tuning the generator. It's 1503 and we're set on 1500. I was mean to say. The old thing's pretty well aligned. I don't have to dick with the RF. Okay. Alright, that gets the darn thing working.
Este programa es una retransmisión de su versión original.
Welcome to KTRC 950.
Okie doke. That's all it takes to get it working. Alright. You know, of course, if you're really going through it, you'd take the tubes and you'd go test them on the tube tester and all that kind of stuff. But this one's going to the antique store. So we want to make the maximum profit, and we're just going to go ahead and get the thing going and make sure it sounds good, and that's all we need to do. Okay, next thing we got to do is clean up the cabinet. All right. Well, let's see what we can do. Okay, that might need to be scratched off of there. I don't want to scratch that cabinet because it's nice. So we'll try chemicals. This is dry cleaning fluid. Whatever it was, dry cleaning fluid cleaned it off of there. Okie dokie, yeah. I'm going to do all of it with dry cleaning fluid first. It looks like whatever it was splattered on it. This is got little splotches of corrosion on it, and we'll get some 4-aught steel wool. Oh. I knew I had a piece. One thing of steel wool left. Okie doke. See, this is taking the uneven areas off. Oh, that looks real good. We completely got the corrosion off of there. Looks good. Ooh, look at that. See those places? See something splashed onto there? That looks good. What about the other side? Okay. This side doesn't have any. All right. That's completely good enough. Okay, I get all that dust off of there. Okay, I'm going to take it and blow it off with air so that we don't have any of that dust left. That blows all of that dust off of there, that damn, you don't want to have that steel wool dust get into your lab. Oh, you talk about cause some intermittent problems. Woo! That stuff is treacherous. Okay, now we're going to go ahead and wax it. All right, now we're going to go ahead and shine this sucker up. We're going to use turtle wax. Just plain old car wax. Now, let's see if I can find some. I'll get squirt a little out here. That gets the bad. Okay. Okay, now we have to let that dry and then we polish her up. Okay, now this has been sitting for about a half an hour, so we shall buff. Yeah. Much you can do about these louvers. Okay, that looks absolutely excellent. All right, we let that dry for overnight. All right, now there's something I noticed here. I did not remember seeing. I didn't know if the pilot light was going or not. Maybe it is. Alrighty. Um, put us a little bit of whoosher in there. There we go. Another one. That's it. Okie doke. Now I get a sticker. Alright. Now, these stickers here, I put one on the radio to indicate the date that it was restored. Is January 1st. What you meowing about, little girl? Got a kitty over there. You a hungry kitty? Hmm? Yes? She's a hungry kitty. She's ready to go have her gravy. Let's plug her in. Alright. Oh, gotta put some knobs on it. Doke.
Live and via podcast. What? Here's correspondent.
You come over here to check it out? Hmm? Did you come over here to check it out? Yeah, you came to check out the radio. Make sure we did it right. Yes.
No, and this solar...
The U.S. and South Korea, if provoked, that according to the Korean Central.
Okie doke. Okie doke. That's it. Okay, that goes to the antique store tomorrow. Alright, got it. It turned out looking pretty darn nice too. See it there? We didn't take any we didn't have to do any work on the cabinet other than polish it up. Okay, that's it.